ang lahat po nag-umpisa sa pamilya. So without good family, there is no such thing as a good surroundings. Lord, in thy sovereign hand, we surrender to you this little boy. I pray that your gracious hand continue to bless him, uphold him, give him wisdom to know you more, give him spirit of love, O Lord, and fear of the Lord. Thank you so much for this moment, how you accept, how you receive our offering, our dedication this afternoon. In Jesus' blessed name, Amen.
Tinatapan ko na pregnant ako, gumamit ako ng app. Hindi ba meron sa cycle na parang mukhang dinosaur? At that time, ganun yung itsura niya, dinosaur.
Parang embryo pa siya. Parang dragon talaga siya na naka-bend. Kaya yun.
Yun mo,
Parang since then, tinawag na namin siyang
dinosaur. So welcome to Elias's first birthday party!
Yeah, it's gorgeous outside, got the windows down, the sunlight comes out, painting the town and no rain.
kasi yung last time kasi Ilumbaran niya. Kaya gusto ko Eden yung first name niya. Tapos isasubmit ko na yung form dun sa registration sa hospital. Tapos parang naisip ko na idagdag si Regal kasi fan kasi ako ng Game of Thrones.
Everything coming up roses, I keep rolling, I'm living in the moment, it feels good to be alive, every day celebration, every day vacation, only good vibrations.
Friendly. So every time na makita ka ng baby din, nag-smile ka kaagad, approachable, nialapitan mo agad sila.
Every day vacation, only good vibrations, it feels good to be alive, it feels good, it feels good, it feels good to be alive.
Prayer ko for you is maging batang mabait ka and naglilingkod kay Lord. Na laging yung sasama sa lahat ng decision mo si Lord. Yun lang. And we love you.
I'm chasing, and nothing gonna stop me now. I'm waking to this perfect weather.
Pika! Mommy Angela and Daddy Clan together with our birthday boy, Elias!
Everything coming up roses, I keep rolling, I'm living in the moment, it feels good to be alive, every day celebration, every day vacation.
So much. So much. So much.
Somay! Sopaw!
Nagpapasalamat po kami sa Panginoon sa isang taon na binigay kay Elias.
Oh yeah, it's a good day.
Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, ang paglakin mo, of course, God-fearing, and then compassionate, and then kind. Yan yung pinaka-importante na maging kind sa lahat ng tao.
I keep rolling, I'm living in the moment, it feels good to be alive, every day celebration, every day vacation, only good vibes.
Happy birthday, Elias.
Happy birthday, yes! We love you!
Every time natutulog siya, gusto niya lagi siya nakadikit. Kahit kanino, dapat lagi siya may physical touch bago matulog.
Oh, baby ka pa lang, fit ka na.